G'day guys, it's Matt here from Aus Agro. Today we're going to be taking you through the features of our 465 Mini Round Hay Baler. Awesome guys, we've got our mini baler here. It's coming in a steel frame crate, which we're going to remove quickly for you and then show you a look around the baler just to point out some of the key parts. Alright, so we've just undone all of the bolts here and we're going to take this steel frame off. So you can just lift it up like this, carefully, and walk it over. Helps if you have another person. And just like that, there we go. Alright guys, so now we've got the steel frame off the baler. It's a great time to just take a look around and have a look at all the different parts. So first place you want to look is obviously just inside the toolbox here, which is going to be at the front of the baler itself. With each baler you'll receive a roll of twine that's already threaded through the machine. You'll also find the remote control for opening the rear door. There'll be an instruction manual, some spare shear bolts and some spring teeth as well. So while we're here, just having a look down at the 3-point linkage we've got with the PTO connector, and underneath here you'll get a good look at all the spring teeth. If you ever damage one of these spring teeth here, it's very easy to replace. So next to the jockey wheel, we've got our safety chain and this bar up here for adjusting the pickup. Now inside here, we're looking at the twine binding system, which when you operate it, you want to make sure is in the up position. So you can lift this part up here, it'll loosen up. And now when it's in that position, it's ready to start. On top here, you'll see the hydraulic ram bar, which has got everything fully integrated. The hydraulics are all fully integrated for the machine, so no need to use a hydraulics connector on the tractor. And that's going to operate your rear door. And the last thing I'll just point out here on top of the baler, while we're looking at the outside, is just the lifting points here and there. So if you need to move it around, you can use that as well. All right, so now that we're around the back here, you're going to want to get the wheels out from the chamber. And to do this, we recommend having an extra 2 set of hands, so probably 3 people. So guys, if you don't mind coming around here. Now there's 2 steps that we need to do here. The first one's going to be removing the bolt here at the back, connecting the ram bar. The second part is unlatching the doors, which we'll show you shortly. So to get the doors open, you're just going to want to undo this star handle here, and you'll do the same on both sides. So with the doors open like so, you should be able to see now what we're going to be doing, which is unlatching the doors. And to do that, you just want to lift up this bar here, like so. What you're going to want to do is have these unlatched on both sides, so you might need 3 people for this part. So what we're doing here, we're just holding this latch open, and that's going to let us open the rear door. So just make sure this is shut on both sides. And the door is quite heavy, so have someone with a bit of muscle get in there, like Jeff. And now we can put this down. Another person can help hold the door open just for safety. And Davey, if you want to grab the wheels out. There we go, great. And we can put this door down. All right, so now that we've got the wheels out, we've reconnected the ram bar. We've also put the jockey wheel in so we can support the weight of the baler itself. The next step is going to be hooking up the tractor to our 3-point linkage so that we can lift the baler up from the subframe and attach the wheels. Yep. So now that we've got the tractor here, we can attach the 3-point linkage. Now to do that, we've actually used an angle grinder with the jockey wheel engaged on the baler. We've used an angle grinder just to take off the brackets, so now that we can easily put in the 3-point linkage. Great, so now we've got the baler hooked up to the 3-point linkage on the tractor. We can put the wheels on the baler, and to do that you're going to want to get these bolts, which will be inside of the instruction manual folder. And you'll notice on these wheels you've actually got 2 points where you can attach it. That's just depending how wide you'd like the wheels to sit from the baler. For this one, we'll just be doing it on the first hole, and they'll be going inside here. Now we've got the wheels on, all the nuts and bolts tightened up, she's good to go. Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. If you'd like to learn more about our machinery, you can head to www.ausagro.com.au.